CashCreates.co. Is it a scam? Is it legit? That's what we'll be talking about today. What exactly is it? Let's take a look at this. Alright, but first, please subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. I have hundreds of videos on my back catalog that you're going to want to check out. Hit the notification bell as well to be notified of new videos coming out. And let's get right into this. Alright, so CashCreates.co. Earn money on IG, Instagram. Start earning from your Instagram account today. Earn $50 bonus just for signing up, and then you get $10 for every friend you refer. Proof for real. We'll check that out in a bit. And then you have a bunch of stuff down here. Okay, sign up. Get a free account. And like I said, you get the $50 bonus. Then you share your link. You get $10 for every friend you refer. $2 for every person who clicks on your link. And then withdraw money with PayPal, Bitcoin, and other things here like this. All right, so let's take a look at some facts, some very juicy facts, some very shady facts, and then you can tell me what you think in the comments below. I already know what I think, and I'm going to show you what I think, and I'm going to show you the nonsense that is going on here. All right, so first of all, big influencers using CashCreates. All right, you got these pictures of these people over here. Very interesting. There you go. The first thing about debating here, we're showing out the shadiness about us. "2015. Every good journey begins somewhere." So they say they started in 2015. However, today is what? May 5th. Today, Cinco de Mayo. It's May 5th, 2020. That's today when I'm making this video. Who is CashCreates.database? This website was started on April 11th, 2020. April 11th, 2020. Less than a month ago. Less than a month ago. They say they started in 2015. They say they paid out all this money with all these fake payment proofs. Do you really think so? All right. Also, let's go to terms of service here. Terms and conditions. All right. So you must be 99 years old or older. If you are under the age of 99, you're not allowed to use the CashCreates sites and features nor services. Some offerings on the CashCreates sites and features or services may be subject to additional age restrictions. 99 years older or older, you have to be. So, who are these people? Where are they at? Do these people look like they're 99 years older? Or she looks like she's like 105. I mean, really, come on. So, total shadiness. And by the way, let's look at some other sites. They all said they're the #1 influencer site. There's so many sites like this. If you've been watching my channel, you already know. I mean, here's another one, cashforshare.co. Same nonsense, same site. The weird thing about the CashCreates here, I did this video on, where is it? Earn and Go. And I made a video about that. And I got all these comments down here because they were bots from this company. These are the same. It's the same company. So I'll check on the comments of this video because I'm probably going to get lots of those as well. So if you want some legitimate apps, check out these ones here. I'll put a link in the video description below. There's a bunch of stuff here. Paid for music, free cryptocurrencies, free stocks, all kind of stuff. And these are legit apps. So check these out. Stay away from these other nonsense sites like CashCreates. They're just a bunch of nonsense. All kinds of shadiness they do. Anyways, tell me your thoughts too. That is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.